the donut. We're cooking with Ayah, Jenna, and Aulia.
Okay.
Let's
Okay,
start.
can we start now? Alright.
To grind the ingredients, sprinkles, chocolates, and donuts.
Good.
Melted chocolate. Put chocolate in the flour.
Here. And you can see in microwave. Okay. Off this one. Okay, we start.
But it's good.
Okay. How look? Kacau. Right. You can see this one the chocolate now. And everything is cair ready. Okay. You can see and chocolate, and then you can do this one. Okay, Alia. Okay. Yes. Okay, you can see. And the chocolate. Okay. And this one, you. Oh, you know it. Here. The donut. Okay. You can see and chocolate, and then you can do this one. Okay, Alia. Okay. Yes. Okay, you can see. And the chocolate. Okay. And this one, you. Oh, you know it. Here. The donut. Here. Okay. Okay. And this one. Everything is okay in order. And cheese. You can only. Alright, cantik lagi sikit. Good. Okay, I can see this one. I can show you the donut in chocolate. Very good chocolate. Okay, Aulia, I can do Aulia. See Aulia, here. Oh, so ready donut chocolate. Okay, it's clear. Okay.
Done.
Ready.
Bye.
Bye. It's ready.